Hello everyone, I'm Anand Chipa, veterinary student from IVRI. Welcome to Vet Talks. As we know, ICR JRF examination for post graduation is on 17th of September. So let us hear about the last moment preparation strategy from Dr. Prashant Patel, who has scored All India rank 21st in 2020 examination. Sir is doing his post graduation in poultry science from Indian Veterinary Research Institute, that is IVRI, and Sir has done his UG from IVRI itself. This video is specially for the students who are preparing for animal science.
As your exam date is coming, I am sure that most of you started facing this examophobia. Okay? And believe me, it is natural. No need to worry. Right now, if you are facing this, that means you have prepared well for this exam. ओके सिंपल सी बात है यार, जिसने पढ़ा है उसको टेंशन होगी, जिसने नहीं पढ़ा उसको टेंशन नहीं होगी. सो नो नीड टू वरी. Come to the our main topic, how to cover our all subject within this limited time period. Okay, so in my opinion, as you also know that you don't have sufficient time left with you, so in my opinion you should mainly focus on the MCQ rather than the revising notes. Okay, because doing MCQ will definitely give you confidence and also help you to adopt yourself for the exam condition. Now come to what to do. Okay, first try to revise our three main notes, that is Vet Rapidex, Animal Science Refresher and E-NAMA for at least 3 to 4 times before exam. After that, try to revise this Animal Science Refresher book. I am talking about the theory portion at least 6 to 7 times before exam, and try to read or revise this one-liner from the book like Animal Science Refresher, also from the NE Scan, Dhruvan Desai and Vet Rapidex. You will definitely get 5 to 6 questions from that. After that, try to revise this census daily, newly registered breed, their breeding tract, and try to revise this breed characteristics, various ICR institutes, their locations, and after that, various extension program, their year of launching, rural development program, and after that, again, try to recall this various project like Tiger project, Elephant project, Crocodile project, and their implementation year. Again, this any new scheme related to our veterinary profession or the extension work within this 1 2 3 years, try to cover all those topics. Okay, and for that you can use internet. After that, in LPM you should try to cover this mug up floor space requirement, air movement related to different species, breed characteristic, horn characteristic, like that you have to read. In LPT you have to read this pasteurization temperature for meat, milk and egg. Again, this freezing temperature for meat and egg. Various microbial spoilage. In microbial spoilage, which kind of defect caused by this kind of microorganism. Okay, like that. And again, various product specification like core temperature of meat patties and the size of the nugget. Like that, you will get so many questions. Okay, and origin of that particular project, that is country name, and freezing chilling temperature, aging. And now come to the canning. In canning you will get a question like for how many time period you can store a product in can, and various defect related to the canning like hard swell, flipper, etc. AMPM examination, in which is you should do this AM examination, in which you should okay. In nutrition, try to cover this vitamin and mineral portion properly, because you will definitely get 5 to 6 questions directly from that portion. In vitamin, mainly this B complex, and in vitamin portion also try to mug up the other name of the vitamin, and for B complex various cofactor of that particular vitamin and the function of that particular cofactor. Okay, and any disease related to their deficiency. Similar for the mineral also. Okay, various feeding standard, which was the first feeding standard, and what was the marker used for that. Like that, you have to read so many things like moisture content of hay, silage, soilage, wastelage, and straw. Like that, this proximate principle, Venn analysis, so many things you have to do. And one more thing, this food processing, you will definitely get 1 or 2 questions from that question also. Yeah, one more thing. Try to revise the scientist name, their discovery, and the year of the discovery. Because last year NT asked, I think 1 or 2 questions related to that also. Okay, and there are so many Telegram channel also. and they are providing test series, so you can use that one also for your preparation. And one more thing, prepare your mind for the assertion region, because last year NTA asked so many questions in that way. And for this assertion region, my tip for you guys only is that first read the question properly and read the option properly. Okay. At last, I want to say that if you don't know the answer of the particular question, don't go for it, because that will ultimately gives you negative marking. And one more thing I want to say, that try to cover at least last 3 year question paper. Try to understand the level of the question paper. If it is easy, then it is easy for each and everyone. If it is hard, then it is hard for everyone. During hard situation, attempt only those questions in which you are confident enough. Okay. And you should know that in how many questions you can take chance, how many questions you have to attempt, and how many questions you have to leave. Okay. And this you will know only after practicing so many MCQ. At last, I want to say that only this thing. I hope all of you would get benefited after watching this video, and I am wishing best of luck to each and every one of you. Believe in yourself, do well, and perform well in this exam. Thank you.